It's a new day. You know what that means. MRE time. MRE, menu 16, chicken burrito bowl. Sounds good. You know what time it is. Yeah. Time to cut it open. Now let's see what we got. I have a collection of so far 2 toilet papers. And gum that I didn't have last time. So let's just empty it all out. That works. So we got a chicken burrito bowl right here. Nice. We get recovery trail mix with pretzels. Very interesting. Ooh, oh, we're changing, guys, we're changing things up. We're changing up the game. There we go. We got a tiny little Tabasco sauce. Nice. We got another set of matches. We get our moist towelette. Some iodized salt. Oh, it's not in a red bag this time. It's in a clear bag. The gum. And then finally, no MRE would be complete without the moist towelettes. Or toilet paper, not moist towelettes. Okay, of course, cheese spread. So I'm guessing there's also tortillas in here somewhere, but that's fine, because we can kind of make a burrito, except I suck at folding burritos. So we're just going to turn into a taco, and we're calling that a day. We got our spoon. Love it. We got our heating pouch. And then what are you? Ooh, a chocolate chip toaster pastry. I'm feeling it's either going to be a Pop-Tart or a toaster strudel. Oh, guys, we have a reoccurring thing. The lemon lime beverage powder, once again. And of course, the sleeve. This time, I'll remember to put it on before, so that I'm not struggling. And then finally, of course, oh, new tortillas, though. We've had Chipotle tortillas, we had plain tortillas, and now we got whole grain tortillas. So, where should we start? I say we start by opening our spoon. Okay, well, we got the lemon lime beverage powder. I think, since there's bound to be reoccurring things, if we've had it before, then I won't review it again. You can just go into, I believe the episode before this had the lemon lime beverage powder, so you can watch my reaction there. It's decent, it's good, I like it, it's alright. So that leaves us with the chocolate chip toaster pastry, the recovery trail mix with pretzels, of course, and the Chipotle burrito bowl. Those are the 3 new things we'll be trying. Oh, tactically the tortilla, whole grain tortillas as well. So I say we get to heating up our burrito, chicken burrito bowl. We eat that, and then while that's cooking or heating up, we'll have the recovery trail mix. We'll take a few bites of the chocolate chip toaster pastry, and we'll call it a day. We got our water. I prepared it beforehand. Pour some in. We'll close it up. And then we're gonna shake it, agitate it, slap it a few times for good measure. Go back and forth, up and down. Give it a little bit of a massage. Back and forth, up and down. Poke. It's working. All right, then we'll leave that to the side to finish cooking. Like I say cooking, it's heating up. Let's try to pull the chair up a little bit. The chocolate chip toaster pastry. Oh. Ooh, oh. Oh. I think I was right. Oh. Here we go. The chocolate chip toaster pastry, aka Pop-Tart. Close that up. Shake it up. So, open this up. Pour it out. Lovely! Same radioactive green. Cheers. Whoa! Wow! A little bit of sourness to that. All right. Another new thing: the recovery trail mix with pretzels. Ooh my! Holy shit! It's very nut heavy. Okay, that's gonna be able to see into there. Honestly, the best part about trail mix, in my opinion, is like the peanuts and such. So, I approve of this trail mix. Mmm. I made a huge mistake taking that big of a bite. I underestimated just how dry my mouth was because, man, that wasn't fun to experience. It's good. It's good. I love it. But, don't take that much of a handful right away. Alright. We have our chicken burrito bowl. Now, we're going to also open up our tortillas. Oh, our whole grain tortillas, I should say. Of course, no meal would be complete without the yummy silica gel packet. Okay, try that. There we are. Bring it. Alright. Mush everything like down. There we are. Oh, come on, really? Alright, let's show you this side. Oh. Well, okay. What? There we are. Alright, suspect. Kind of smells like... It sort of smells like the Southwest steak and black beans. Let's see if you guys can see into there. It kind of all turned into like a paste. That's fine. Cheers. Oh, we got some corn in here, some bean, or not bean. We got some corn, some rice, maybe bean, chicken. I think there's a tomato in there somewhere. It ain't that bad. It tastes like something you would get just like at Chipotle or something. It's pretty passable. But let's take it a bit further. Let's grab our tortillas. Slap that down. Let's pour a little bit of air on there. Yummy. Yummy. Let's kind of mush that down a little bit. Very lovely. Very lovely indeed. Yum. Now, time for a tiny Tabasco. Tiny Tabasco. Engage. Tiny. There we go. I'm like, got some flavor to this. I mean, it has flavor already, but it's enough for one very generous helping. Where's our salt? Right here. Iodized salt. Sprinkle that on as well. We don't get pepper. just salt. And then finally, add some of the cheese spread. Cheese spread is the staple of these meals. And it ain't half bad. Okay, we're gonna kind of like... No, we're not gonna smooth that out at all. That's not smoothing out. So, yummy. Fold it up. Kind of mush it around a little bit. Oh god, bad mistake. Oh, it's bursting at the seams. Oh, fuck it. Okay. Yeah, that's good. That is very good. The spice, the cheese, everything really comes together as it should. I don't think it was intended to be eaten by itself, but yeah, this is where it's at. Overall, I'm very Fat Boy approved. Very Fat Boy approved. And I believe that was everything. Of course, I'm going to finish this up off camera. But, yeah. I'm pretty satisfied with this meal. The only thing I really didn't like was, unfortunately, the popped out toaster goodie. Other than that, it's pretty good, pretty decent. So, hope to see you guys again tomorrow. And you guys take care, right? Bye.